Welcome to our exploration of some of the most extraordinary minds on Earth. When we talk about intelligence, our thoughts often drift to the human brain, marveling at its complexity. But what about the animal kingdom? Which creatures possess the largest brains, not just in volume, but in terms of the incredible cognitive feats they enable? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of neuroanatomy, comparing the gray matter of giants, and uncovering the remarkable abilities housed within these colossal cranial structures. Before we reveal our list, it's crucial to understand a fundamental concept: absolute brain size doesn't always equal intelligence. A larger animal naturally needs a larger brain to control its massive body. Think of it like a control center. A larger factory requires a bigger command room. What truly matters for complex thought is often the brain's structure, the density of its neurons, and the intricate connections between them, alongside its relative size to the animal's body. When it comes to sheer mass, one animal stands undisputed: the sperm whale. This magnificent leviathan of the deep ocean holds the record for the largest brain of any animal, a true testament to the incredible scale of nature. Its brain is not just large, it's a highly specialized organ, designed to navigate and interpret the complex world of the deep sea. Let's delve into the astonishing statistics behind this giant's intellect. The numbers themselves are staggering. The brain of an adult sperm whale can weigh up to 9 kilograms, or approximately 20 pounds. To put that into perspective, that's roughly 7 times heavier than an average human brain. This immense neural processing power isn't just for show. It's a critical component in how these whales perceive and interact with their incredibly vast and challenging environment, especially in the dark, crushing pressures of the deep ocean. This enormous brain supports a life of profound complexity. Sperm whales live in highly organized social structures, forming intricate familial bonds that can last for decades. They communicate using a sophisticated system of clicks and whistles, a language that allows them to coordinate hunting strategies and maintain group cohesion across vast distances. These complex social interactions and advanced communication methods are directly facilitated by their highly developed brain, particularly in areas related to sound processing and social cognition. One of the sperm whale's most remarkable abilities is its advanced echolocation. This is a biological sonar system where the whale emits sound waves and interprets the echoes that return, creating a detailed sound map of its surroundings. In the pitch-black abyss of the deep ocean, where light cannot penetrate, this is their primary sense for hunting giant squid and navigating. The sheer neural processing power required to generate, send, and interpret these complex sound signals speaks volumes about the sophisticated capabilities of their massive brains. Following the sperm whale, we encounter another marine marvel with an exceptionally large brain, the orca, or killer whale. Often misunderstood, orcas are not just powerful predators but also highly intelligent beings with a brain that commands respect. Their cognitive abilities are so advanced that they've captivated scientists for decades, revealing a depth of problem-solving and social acumen rarely seen in the animal kingdom. Let's look at the impressive brain statistics that underpin their reputation. The orca's brain is truly substantial, weighing in at up to 6 kilograms, or around 13 pounds. This positions them firmly as having the second largest brain among all animals. This considerable mass supports a brain structure with highly developed regions dedicated to processing emotions and social interactions, allowing for a rich inner life and complex relationships within their pods. It's a prime example of how brain size, when combined with specific neural development, translates into sophisticated behaviors. Orcas are renowned for their exceptional problem-solving abilities. They exhibit a wide variety of hunting techniques, often specific to their individual pods, which are passed down through generations. This cultural transmission of knowledge, from intricate wave-washing to coordinated pursuit, showcases their capacity for learning, adaptation, and complex strategic planning. Such sophisticated behaviors are a direct reflection of their large, highly developed brains and the neural networks capable of processing and executing these intricate plans. Beyond hunting, orcas display profound social and emotional intelligence. They form incredibly strong bonds within their pods, showing clear evidence of empathy and mourning when a pod member is lost. Their capacity for self-recognition, observed in mirror tests, further highlights their self-awareness, a trait once thought unique to humans and a few other primates. These emotional and self-aware capacities are supported by those highly developed brain regions dedicated to processing complex emotions. Leaving the ocean, we turn to the largest land animal, the African elephant, which also possesses the largest brain among all terrestrial creatures. The sheer scale of an elephant necessitates a substantial brain to manage its complex physiology and sophisticated behaviors. Elephants are known not just for their size, but for their incredible memory and emotional depth, qualities intrinsically linked to their impressive neural architecture. Let's quantify the brainpower behind these gentle giants. The brain of an African elephant weighs approximately 5 kilograms, or about 11 pounds. While smaller than those of the great whales, it is still an immense organ, significantly larger than any other land animal. This substantial brain allows for their exceptional cognitive abilities, particularly their long-term memory. It's truly a marvel of evolutionary engineering, perfectly adapted to their social and environmental challenges in the vast African landscapes. Elephants possess truly exceptional long-term memory. They can recall distant water sources and migratory routes across generations, a crucial survival skill in their arid habitats. This remarkable memory is paired with sophisticated communication through infrasound, low-frequency sounds undetectable by the human ear. These deep rumbles allow them to communicate across miles, coordinating family movements and warning of dangers, demonstrating a complex neural capacity for retaining vast amounts of information and sophisticated messaging. African elephants are highly social animals, forming complex family units led by matriarchs. Their capacity for empathy is widely recognized, as they show distress and comfort towards others, often displaying behaviors akin to mourning. They also exhibit problem-solving skills, including rudimentary tool use, such as using branches to swat flies. These behaviors underscore the advanced development of regions within their brains associated with memory and emotion, allowing for rich social lives and adaptive intelligence. Next, we turn to another incredibly intelligent marine mammal, the bottlenose dolphin. While its brain might not match the sheer mass of whales or elephants, it's remarkably large for its body size, hinting at a different kind of neural efficiency. These charismatic creatures are celebrated for their agility, not just in water, but in thought, demonstrating a captivating blend of problem-solving, communication, and self-awareness that continues to astound scientists. Let's examine their brain's impressive details. The bottlenose dolphin's brain weighs between 1.5 to 1.7 kilograms, or 3.3 to 3.7 pounds. While this is less than the animals we've discussed so far, what's truly remarkable is its brain-to-body weight ratio. This ratio, which compares brain weight to total body weight, is considered a significant indicator of intelligence because it accounts for the proportion of neural tissue dedicated to higher cognitive functions rather than just basic bodily maintenance. For dolphins, this ratio is second only to humans among mammals, a striking statistic. Let's put this into perspective. The brain-to-body weight ratio is often cited as a proxy for cognitive capacity. While humans famously have the highest ratio, dolphins are remarkably close. This comparison highlights that even with a smaller absolute brain size, the proportion of the dolphin's brain dedicated to complex thought is exceptional. It's a key reason why their intelligence is so advanced, allowing for nuanced communication, sophisticated social interactions, and impressive problem-solving. Dolphins possess an elaborate communication system of whistles and clicks, capable of conveying complex information. They also engage in cooperative hunting strategies, demonstrating advanced teamwork and planning. Like orcas, they show self-recognition in mirror tests, indicating a level of self-awareness. Furthermore, their altruistic behavior, sometimes aiding other species, underscores their social and emotional depth. These exceptional cognitive abilities, despite their brain being smaller than the largest, are a testament to efficient neural design. Finally, we arrive at the human brain, which, while not the largest in absolute terms, is undeniably the most complex and powerful in its cognitive capabilities. Our brains are masterpieces of evolution, allowing for feats of language, abstract thought, reasoning, and creativity unmatched in the animal kingdom. Understanding its scale and structure helps us contextualize the incredible brains of the animals we've discussed. Let's look at the numbers behind humanity's defining organ. The average adult human brain weighs approximately 1.3 to 1.4 kilograms, or between 2.9 and 3.1 pounds. While this is significantly smaller than a sperm whale's brain, it doesn't diminish our unique cognitive abilities. Instead, it highlights that intelligence is not solely about size, but also about the intricate organization of neural networks, the density of neurons, and the specialized development of regions like the frontal lobe, which is crucial for executive functions such as planning and decision-making. What truly sets the human brain apart is its capacity for complex language, abstract thought, and advanced reasoning. The highly developed frontal lobe, responsible for executive functions, allows us to plan, innovate, and engage in sophisticated problem-solving. Furthermore, our ability for cultural transmission and the accumulation of knowledge across generations has driven unprecedented technological and societal advancements. These unique capabilities are a product of a finely tuned neural architecture, rather than just sheer mass. To fully appreciate the human brain's efficiency, let's revisit the brain-to-body weight ratio. As the ultimate benchmark, humans possess the highest ratio among mammals. This means that a significantly larger proportion of our body's resources is dedicated to supporting our brain, emphasizing the evolutionary advantage of cognitive power in our species. This comparison truly underlines that when it comes to intelligence, it's not just about the absolute size, but the clever allocation and intricate design of neural tissue. From the colossal brains of the sperm whale and orca, adapted for life in the deep ocean, to the memory giants of the African elephant, and the agile, socially complex minds of bottlenose dolphins, we've seen a stunning spectrum of neural architecture. Each of these animals, with their massive brains, offers a unique window into the diverse ways intelligence manifests in nature. While humans stand out for our abstract thought, these creatures remind us that wisdom, ingenuity, and profound connection come in many extraordinary forms and sizes.